Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel dedicated to helping you live your best, healthiest life. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of seeds and uncovering 5 nutrient-packed powerhouses that you should definitely incorporate into your diet. Let's get started. Number 1, chia seeds. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they are packed with an impressive array of nutrients. These little seeds are loaded with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and antioxidants. Plus, they have the unique ability to absorb liquid and form a gel-like consistency, making them a versatile addition to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or even used as an egg substitute in baking. Number 2, flax seeds. Flax seeds are another nutritional powerhouse that deserves a spot in your pantry. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, flax seeds offer numerous health benefits, including improved heart health, digestion, and hormonal balance. To unlock their full nutritional potential, it's best to grind flax seeds before consuming them, as our bodies have difficulty digesting whole flax seeds. Number 3, hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are gaining popularity for their impressive nutritional profile. These seeds are a great source of plant-based protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. They're also rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, as well as vitamins and minerals like magnesium, iron, and zinc. Sprinkle hemp seeds on salads, yogurt, or blend them into smoothies for an added nutritional boost. Number 4, pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. These seeds are rich in magnesium, zinc, iron, and antioxidants like vitamin E. They're also a good source of protein and healthy fats, making them a satisfying and nourishing snack option. Enjoy pumpkin seeds roasted and seasoned with your favorite spices for a crunchy and flavorful treat. Number 5, sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are a popular snack enjoyed around the world, and for good reason. These seeds are packed with nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, selenium, and protein. They're also rich in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health. Add sunflower seeds to salads, trail mix, or enjoy them on their own for a satisfying and nutritious snack. There you have it, folks. 5 healthy seeds that are brimming with nutrients and deserve a place in your diet. Whether you sprinkle them on your morning yogurt, blend them into your smoothies, or enjoy them as a snack on their own, these seeds are sure to support your overall health and well-being. Which of these seeds is your favorite, and how do you like to incorporate them into your diet? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more nutritious content. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.